the interest rates go up. So I don't believe we can get great deals to make profit on the MLS. Now, I've been to a lot of auctions. I heard them talking about going to auctions here, and I go to them. But you have to outbid every other investor in your town to get the deal. So there's not much room for profit left. Now, what I'm going to teach you about this week, today and Saturday, is the hidden market. There are no for sale signs in these people's yards. They're not on the internet. They're not on the MLS. As a matter of fact, they're not even on a list you can purchase. But I'm going to show you how you can create your own personal list that nobody else has, nobody else is mailing to, and you're going to make, well, the last 3 deals I did in 2018, I made over $100,000 profit. So you just can't do that if anybody else knows about those deals. Because if one other investor knew about those deals I was buying, they would have outbid me, and it would have became a bidding war. Now I'm going to prove to you tonight the deals that we can get and the ones I get, the owner does not even know his house is for sale that day. That is why there's no competition, and you're the only one making an offer. Are you ready to hear about it? Okay, I feel it's worth the time for me to tell you how I started. I went to a seminar in November of 1986, and there was about 1,000 people in the room. It was a TV guru who was in town giving a live seminar for 2 days. So it was free, so I said, I can afford that, so I went to it. And I learned so much about real estate and making big money that I was sold. I said, that sounds like the kind of business I want to be in. Because when I worked at Lockheed, anybody ever heard of Lockheed? Well, that's where I was working. My dad worked there. I got out of high school. I worked there. And all the old timers that worked there, they would invest the money they make from Lockheed in real estate. And they were always talking about how they grew their money and they're going to retire well. But when I worked there, the only thing I invested in was Budweiser. But my money was dwindling away every weekend when you invest in Budweiser. So I just wanted to learn about investing. So I went to that seminar and I bought a set of books and tapes. And I went home and being from Georgia, I not only talk slow, but I read slow too. So I bought this home study system that had 9 manuals and 27 cassette tapes. So I knew it was going to take me years to read all those manuals. So I picked up the first manual that says how to invest in, senior citizen housing. I looked at it. I just didn't quite understand it, so I put that book down.